Hey folks, temperatures warmed up nicely this afternoon with some sunshine out there. Getting to see a pretty sunset. We'll show you that a little later on. But in the meantime, these are the current temperatures. 72 in Port Isabel, 78 Harlingen, 83 right now in McAllen. Overnight tonight, upper 60s. That's it. 68 at the island, same thing in McAllen, about 68 in Rio Grande City. So you see it's not going to cool off much. And there probably will be some fog again. There has been to the coast on and off much of the day. And then tomorrow we're back in the 80s again. About where we were today, maybe a degree or two warmer. South to southeasterly winds tomorrow, not all that strong, about 6 to 12. Average high for this time of year for today is 76. Tomorrow goes up to 77. We're going to be 84, 84, 85. So above normal, but nowhere close to the record, so not really all that unusual. Cloud cover has been thick much of the day. Now we're seeing some breaks, and there's another break out to the west of us as we speak. Watch, the clouds are here. Nice break over Zapata County, western Starr County, but most of the valley, it's been a mix of clouds and sun most of the day, and it'll be that way all night. Mostly cloudy skies all night long. Tomorrow morning at 8, we're still overcast. As the day goes on, I think the sun will make an appearance again with that temperatures warm up into the 80s. We do it all over again on Thursday. Enough moisture around Thursday morning for maybe a sprinkle in a couple of spots, but for the most part, it's just a cloudy start to the day and a mainly cloudy day, maybe some afternoon sunshine again. And Friday, we do that whole thing all over again. Things not changing much as we go toward the end of the weekend into the weekend. Here's your rain chances, not very high. We're dry tomorrow. 20 and 10 for Thursday and Friday, mainly sprinkles early in the day. As you look at Texas, you can tell there's some cold weather on the map, but it's not in Texas. Oklahoma's 29, but Dallas is 60. Big contrast right there. But a couple of fronts are going to change everything by the time we get to the second half of the weekend. Moisture in the state, but let's look. There's your front up there, keeping the cold temperatures in Oklahoma. Here's our front. It's basically stationary. It was a warm front that moved through today, and now it's just sitting to the north of us. So we stay in the 80s. Everybody else a little bit cooler than that. When we go into Thursday, Friday, here comes the front pushing southward across Texas. That front could make it as far south as, say, Houston and San Antonio, but that one is going to stall and not make it here. But by the time we get to the weekend, another front shows up on the map that's going to race down here. Timing, arrival, still debatable. One model brings it in Sunday morning, the other says Sunday night. So what we know is Sunday is going to be transition day, and when that happens, temperatures are going to tumble. And Monday is going to be downright chilly across the valley. Big changes coming sometime Sunday, but Monday, Tuesday, even Wednesday, you'll feel those changes courtesy of that front. At the coast, winds out of the southeast tomorrow, 5 to 15, a moderate chop. UV is high. There is a dense fog advisory for the marine areas. High risk of rip currents. There are tides, seas 2 to 4 feet. So tonight against some coastal fog, 68 for a low, south to southeast winds. Then tomorrow back to 84, mainly cloudy skies with some afternoon sunshine, perhaps southeast winds at 10 to 20. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Let me stand here for a second. I'll show you the other 2 days in a second. Sunday's transition day. It's warm initially. Timing of the front means everything, but after the front goes through, look at Monday and Tuesday, 55 and falling. I think most of the day Monday, it looks like, will be in the 40s. And we're going to work to get out of the 40s on Tuesday. Some of the coldest days of the winter possible early next week. Still subject to debate, change possible, but at least right now, this is what we're looking at. That's your updated First 1-5 forecast.